What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing y'all my curly hair routine, so if you're interested in that, definitely stay tuned. I'm going to be showing y'all what products I use, what I do, pretty much just walking you through my wash day routine because I've been posting a few like tutorials on my Instagram. If you don't have me on Instagram, go follow me. I'll leave my link somewhere on the screen. But if you have me on Instagram, you know I've been posting like a little bit of like when my hair's like day 4, I'll post like a little tutorial of like how I refresh my curls. But I wanted to show you guys my curly day routine because it is a little bit of work, but it makes it so easy throughout the week to easily just add water to my hair, add a little bit of product if needed, and my hair is good to go. Let me just start by talking about what products I use for shampoo and conditioner. These are everything. Let me just say, like, I've never used a shampoo that I loved, you know, and I really like this. Like, I'm not gonna say love, but I really like these shampoos. The shampoo, it says wash to win the frizz fight, smooth and protect hair so humidity can't undo what you've done to your do. Bro, it says win the frizz fight. Like, what? You cannot like get better than that. If you have curly hair, you know the struggle of frizziness. And the conditioner has shea butter. Y'all, shea butter is one of like my favorite things, honestly. Like, if you don't know what shea butter is, Google it, Google the benefits, and start using it because I can get into a video of that, honestly. If y'all want to know like what I use shea butter for, let me know. But yeah, shea butter is the GOAT. The conditioner also moisturizes, nourishes, reduces hair breakage, detangles, moisturizes, and smoothing. And they're both paraben free and sulfate free, which is like super important in your products. What I do, so I shampoo my hair twice actually, because whenever you shampoo your hair once, that removes the excess dirt and oil from your scalp, and then when you shampoo twice, you're like actually penetrating. If you notice when you do it, if you have never shampooed your hair twice, do it. The first time, you'll notice it won't lather as much as the second time, and that's because the second time, whenever you're getting in there, the excess dirt, the excess oil is already out, and so it lathers so much better, and you're actually like, you feel like you're actually like shampooing your hair good. You know, if that makes sense. And then after I shampoo twice, then I just condition, and I leave the conditioner. I only put the conditioner on the bottom half of my hair, so like from here down, and I leave that on while I like wash my face and wash my body, and then I'll rinse it out at the very end, so that way it's like on my hair for at least 5-10 minutes, you know, however long it takes you to do everything else. So yeah, but also let me tell you what I do with my shampoo. The second time that I shampoo it, in my hand where I put the shampoo, I will add an oil. So the oil that I'm going to be using is this African's Best oil. So this is like more for ethnic hair, but let me tell you, with curly hair, like our scalps gets dry and we have to add moisture into them. And so what I've been doing, I put a little bit in my shampoo. I've seen that some people put like drops in their shampoo, like in the actual bottle, and then they just stir it up and they use that. But I feel like oil doesn't like spread very well, so if you put it in your shampoo, I feel like it would all be on the top even if you shake it. I don't know, that's just like what I think. So instead, I'll put like a little bit of shampoo in my palm, and then I add like 2 drops or a drop of the oil, and I just mix it up whenever I'm gonna shampoo, and that makes sure that I get it like on my scalp and it's like penetrating. And like I said, I do this on the second shampoo, so like the oil and the dirt, like all the excess buildup on my scalp is gone, and so the oil can really penetrate until like the scalp of my hair. Ever since I started doing it, I have noticed a big difference, and I tell my clients that all the time. I tell them like, okay, well, if you notice that your scalp is like dry, try to put like a little bit of oil on your scalp. This is like a perfect way of oiling your scalp without like extra oil too, because I feel like a lot of people are scared of oil. They think their scalp is gonna be oily, they think their hair is gonna be oily, and that's like, yeah, like that makes sense that people think that. So this is like a perfect way of like adding oil onto your scalp without like it just being oil. For me, this is just like the easiest way to do it, you know, so that's what I do. So if you don't do that, I would try that. Okay, so that's what I do. Like I shampoo and then I condition, and then I get out of the shower, and then I will detangle my hair, put my curly hair products in it, which I will just show you guys that whenever I'm out of the shower. Let me see, I put like a bunch of notes on my phone in case I like forgot anything. Okay, and then I also put, talk about why you shouldn't wash your hair every day. Honestly, washing your hair every single day is so bad. bad for your hair and your scalp. Like, it's not even just about your hair or your scalp, it's literally both. So let me read. If you wash your hair every day, you may be possibly overstimulating the oil glands beneath your scalp, and that may eventually experience oily hair. A lot of people that wash their hair every day, they notice, they're like, oh my goodness, by like 5 p.m. my hair is oily. They wash their hair in the morning and by 5 p.m. their hair is oily. You know, like, that means that you are over washing, because your hair, like, you're over washing so much that you're like, your oil glands are like dry, and they just think they need to produce all of this oil to like compensate for how dry that your scalp is, because you're washing it every single day. And okay, so hopefully all that made sense. I'm gonna take these ones out and I'll show you how my hair looks before I take a shower, and then I'll show y'all once I get out of the shower. We back. Okay, so real quick, my hair's wet. I detangled it. This is a brush that I used to detangle it. It's a wet brush, I believe. So I just start at the bottom and I like work my way up, but then I kind of shake it after I detangle it, just to get some movement back into it, because like when you brush, obviously like brings it down a little bit. But then I use a leave-in conditioner. So this is the one that I'm currently using, but you can use any leave-in conditioner like if you want. I always make sure I rub it really good into like my hands, so that way when you put it in, you're not getting just one area and you're spreading it evenly throughout all of your hair. You can also put like a leave-in spray. I just like this one because I feel like creams are a little bit more moisturizing than sprays. And so for curly hair, you know, we love moisture, so that is why I use this instead of like a spray. But I mean, you can use both, or you can use one or the other. But for sure, like, I would recommend a leave-in product of some sort, just to give your hair a little bit of moisture in a way, even if your hair is not as curly. Just having moisture, like when your hair dries, you can tell when it dries if it looks dry or if it looks dry and like moisturized, if that makes sense. Okay, so this is my curly hair product that I've been using and that I love. For one, it smells bomb. It says, this lightweight styling and defining cream gel combines superfruit complexes, collagen amino acids, and a natural oil blend to nourish and protect your curls while providing a soft hold. It's the right mix for achieving all-day soft, bouncy, shiny curls without leaving heavy buildup or flakiness. I couldn't have said it better myself, because I feel like I was gonna say that exact same thing, just like obviously not in those words. Whenever you put it in, like I'm telling you, it gives you like the perfect hold without giving you like heavy buildup or like crunchiness, or it looks like wet, like it looks like it didn't dry completely. Like, I will show y'all once my hair dries, but what I do, I grab a little bit in my palm, and I usually will do like 4 sections. So like clip this away and I'll run it throughout my hair. And then what I do, I use a Denman brush, which that's what this brush is. It's like curved on the top part, as you can see, so that like helps, and all the teeth also help to define your curls. What I do, I will twist my hair, and I usually will only do this like around my face, but I'm just showing y'all in the first section. But when you do that, you spin in the direction that you went, and then scrunch up, and you see that like perfect curl that formed. Okay, so that's pretty much it for how I style it wet. I hope you all enjoyed. If you have any questions, like leave me in the comments.
Miles, arrive at Denny's.
What up, this one always got that got nothing to make me choke. Go to a step, made for the meal. Go to smoke through the clouds and hopes that it reaches the pearly gates now.
Okay, what's up guys? I just want to show y'all my hair now that it's completely dry. Today is the day after I washed it. And what I do too, like I'll separate my curls. So if you guys have like a curl that's like kind of big, you can always separate it to make it look like a little bit more. But this is what it looks like. Just wanted to show. But yeah, I always put like little braids or little clips like this, so usually like it's back and it doesn't really bother me that like the top doesn't have that much volume, just because like whenever my hair is completely down it always gets in my face and I don't like that, so I always clip it back. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my little tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe.